Bad skin is like an annoying website pop-up ad that won't go away no matter what you try. It's distracting and it takes away from what really matters, what's underneath the hood. When you go online and search for a good skincare routine, you get these beauty gurus telling you that you need to spend an insane amount of money on a 10-step routine that takes 30 minutes. That's just not realistic. Sure, we want clear, smooth, nice skin, but we also have to do. That's why today I want to give you a skincare routine that anyone can implement to their daily lives because it only takes 3 minutes and it provides great results. But here's the trade-off. You're just not going to see those results if you're inconsistent. So if you do this quick and easy 3-minute skincare routine once a week and then complain that you're not seeing results, well, that's on you. You have to be consistent. So try your best to do it every single day. All right. First things first, when you touch your forehead, your nose, your cheeks, what do you feel? Is it sticky and a little oily, or is it dry? And it can be both. For example, I have an oily T-zone, which means my forehead and my nose are oily. Maybe you have oily skin throughout, or dry skin. The reason why this is so important to know is because it will have an impact on the kind of product that you use. You don't need heavy serums, heavy oils when you already have oily skin, because that's only gonna make it look extra oily and it could clog your pores. But if you have dry skin, that changes things, right? And you can then be applying those heavier, creamy moisturizers or thick serums to rehydrate that dry skin. So before you even start your skincare routine, just take a moment to understand your skin type, because knowing that is the best place to start. Now that you know your skin type, let's move on to the first step of our 3-minute skincare routine. Let me ask you a question. Do you think fish can see water when they're swimming? Their eyes are adapted to being underwater. So no, they don't see the water in the same way that we do. Think of the air and atmosphere around us as water to fish. We don't see it, but we know there are molecules traveling around. We can breathe them in, we can breathe them out. We can smell coffee because it's dispersing tiny particles into the air and it travels through air and into your nose. All of that to say, there are things around us that we cannot see, like dirt particles, air pollution, even chemical compounds from the burning of gas, tobacco, etc. All right, that's as scientific as we're getting today. I just wanted to make a point. Just because you can't see the skin on your face is dirty, doesn't mean that it isn't. All those tiny particles and bacteria, they can cause clogged pores, breakouts, pimples, making your skin look bad. So how do we fix that? It's simple. You need to cleanse your face with a face wash. Start by getting your face wet with lukewarm water, then apply a gentle cleanser to your face and massage it into your skin in a circular motion for about 30 seconds, focusing on areas that are prone to oiliness or breakouts. That's why it's good to understand your own skin and your skin type. After you wash it for 30 seconds, rinse well with lukewarm water. Now, one big mistake a lot of people make, I'd say the majority of men do this, is forgetting to wash their towels. If you're washing your face, then rubbing a dirty towel onto your clean face, guess what? That's making it worse. So pat your face dry with a clean towel. Just wash your towel with your laundry every week or whenever it gets dirty. Okay, so cleansing your face took literally 30 seconds. It's so easy. Make sure to do it at least once a day. Ideally though, twice. Once in the morning and once at night before you lay down. And if you've ever had pimples, which by the way, the majority of us have gone through a period of our lives where pimples covered our entire faces, some of you might be going through that moment right now. I know I did when I was a teenager, and my hormones were literally all over the place, and those pimples, they usually go away. Sometimes they don't, but they can also cause some nasty scarring on your face. Sometimes it's just a little bit of scarring. It's still there, but barely noticeable, but sometimes they can completely change your face. It's frustrating, demotivating, it crushes your confidence, especially for men because, well, I know it's 2024, but typically men don't wear makeup. So you can really see those scars on your face because we don't really cover it up. I wish people knew this. There are ways to minimize those scars over time, and it's not that difficult. You can even do it at home. The most common and most effective way to minimize acne scarring from the comfort of your own home is to do something called microneedling. Maybe you've heard of this term before, maybe you don't know what it means. Let me explain. Microneedling is a process of, and this is gonna sound weird and painful, but trust me, it's not. It's the process of puncturing the skin with tiny needles to stimulate the body's natural healing response. which leads to more collagen production, reduces the appearance of acne scars, fine lines, and it improves the overall skin texture. Now, this isn't something that you do every day. You only do this every 2 weeks, so it's not a part of your quick 3-minute everyday routine. But if you're consistent and continue to do this every 2 weeks, you're gonna see a big difference in scarring and skin texture. I noticed my skin texture looks smoother after only a few weeks. The Banisher 3.0 is backed by dermatologists like Dr. David Lim. It has the finest needles on the market, 0.5 millimeters, which is scientifically proven to be the best for collagen induction. And it comes with 2 heads. You get 4 to 8 treatments per head, and it's better and safer than using derma rollers, which can actually cause scarring. So how do you do it? Well, with clean hands and a clean face, you're gonna fill this cap here with 70% rubbing alcohol to sanitize the bristles for 5 minutes, and then just let it dry for a minute. This is the Banisher 3.0, by the way. Banish is a sponsor of the channel. They wanted to show you how simple it is to minimize those acne scars. You just stamp the Banisher on the area that you want to treat 3 times, making sure that you avoid any acne or any rashes, because this isn't to treat acne, just the scars. And the best way to describe how it feels, it's like putting a piece of Velcro on your skin. It doesn't hurt at all. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little worried that it was gonna hurt and leave marks on my face, none of which are true. The first time I used it, I thought I was doing it wrong because I couldn't feel the needles piercing my skin. And it turns out that's exactly how it goes. You're not supposed to feel needles going in. It's painless. Don't stamp your face hard, just apply light pressure on those problem areas. And then after you're done microneedling, you apply the Banish serum, which is formulated to increase collagen production, fade those dark marks, and to give you that morning glow that makes your skin look so healthy. And within 1 to 3 months, you're gonna see visible results on acne scarring. It's easy, it's way cheaper than getting it done with a dermatologist or going into a clinic for a professional treatment. And you only have to do it once every 2 weeks, once a week maximum. It's so easy, it's painless. I'm gonna leave the link to Banish in the description below, but it's banish.com/Alexcosta. It's the first link in the description below. Now, if you're not microneedling, then after cleansing, you're gonna notice that your skin, it's just not gonna feel as nice. It'll probably feel dry. That's because the cleanser, it pulls away those natural oils from your skin, so you need to bring back hydration to your skin. And you do that by using a good moisturizer. Moisturizing helps to lock in hydration. It repairs the skin barrier, and it keeps the skin soft and smooth, which is all we want, right? All you have to do is apply a dime-sized amount of moisturizer to your face, and then just gently massage it into your skin. And a pro tip here, especially for my older guys, this goes for my young ones too. If you want to keep looking young, make sure that when you massage the moisturizer into your skin, you're using upwards and outwards motions. Why? What does that do, right? Why is there a difference? Well, that prevents your skin from sagging, from creating new wrinkles. So don't pull your skin down when you're going through your skincare routine. So why does our skin even sag? Well, because gravity is pulling down your skin every single day. So you're adding even more wrinkles by pulling it down further. And not only that, another tip is for my guys with a beard or a stubble, make sure that you get the moisturizer in there to moisturize not only the hair, but also the skin underneath it. Something I completely overlooked when I was younger is my neck. You can tell someone's age by looking at their neck because typically people forget to moisturize it. So don't forget to also apply a generous amount of moisturizer. Apply it to your neck twice a day whenever you can to avoid those deep wrinkles that age you. And avoid those thick, greasy creams if you have oily or acne-prone skin. Do it twice a day after you cleanse in the mornings, and then after you cleanse at night before you go to bed. This should take you no more than 30 to 45 seconds to apply this moisturizer. By the way, on this channel, it is my job to make you live a better, healthier, more incredible life by looking and feeling your absolute best. That's been my job here on YouTube for years if you don't know me. Welcome to the channel. My name is Alexcosta. If you like this content, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. And if you're serious about perfecting your image, your looks, then join my exclusive community, Men's Image Lab, which is listed in the description. It's free to join, but we only let members in who we believe are serious about this. So make sure that you're answering the questions right when you reply to the community, and that's just to make sure that we have a strong community that's not overrun by degenerates or bots. If that sounds like it's for you, the link is below and you can join for free. On to the next step, which dermatologists say is the most important one, but also the most overlooked. And I was one of the guys that completely missed the mark on this step. And honestly, I paid the price. All right, and I'm gonna show you in a second what happened to me. Look, the biggest enemy, the most powerful villain in the battle for great skin is also the only reason you're alive right now, the sun. Those UV rays, they cause premature aging, they cause hyperpigmentation, and even skin cancer. We've known that for years, but still, some men choose to not protect their skin with a simple SPF sunscreen. Applying SPF 30 or more to your face daily. The SPF is gonna help block or absorb some of those UV rays and then keep them from harming and damaging your skin. This is especially important if you're outdoors during the day, if you're driving under the beating sun. But even when you're not, I still recommend that you apply sunscreen daily. It's all about creating this habit, right? How do I create a habit? I have to do it every day. So create this habit so that your skin is protected just in case you do decide to go outside. Make sure that you do have that sunscreen protection on. And just the same as the moisturizer, you're probably forgetting to apply sunscreen to your neck. So remember, apply it to all exposed areas of the face and neck to keep those areas looking young. And I'll tell you why I regret not doing this so much. I have spots on my face that literally showed up after exposing my face to the sun for a couple of days without sunscreen. And I did this honestly for years, but 2 years ago, specifically, I went to an event and I put this like serum, vitamin C serum on my face, which was like an oil serum, and the sun literally cooked my face with that oil, right? Those UV rays, they burned my face, causing sun damage here, here, and here. It gave me sunspots that are permanent, by the way. And after that, I decided, you know what, enough is enough. I don't want any more sun damage on my face. I talk about this on YouTube, but why did I mess up like that, right? So I started wearing sunscreen every single day, 30 or more. I don't budge when it comes to this rule. And I've been applying all sorts of expensive creams and serums to slowly fade these spots away, and they've gotten better, but they're still not fully gone. So I really regret not protecting my skin in the first place. Prevention is the way to go. It's your face. Trust me when I say, you don't want any sun damage on your face because it's really hard to fix. So make sure to prevent it. Apply SPF 30 or more every single day and your face will thank you for it. Your skin is gonna look younger and healthier with no sun damage and most importantly, no skin cancer. Now, my favorite part of a good skincare routine is this next one. And I like it so much because I can literally see and feel the results immediately, and you only have to do it twice a week. Instead of cleansing your face with normal face wash, I want you to twice a week use a scrub or an exfoliant to brush away the dead skin cells and reveal the brand new smooth skin underneath. You can keep the scrub in your shower. That's when I like to use mine. It's like a nice little spa situation. And use circular motions to lightly exfoliate your skin. Your skin will immediately feel soft. It's gonna look clean because of those brand new skin cells right there. And it's cool because you get those results immediately. You see them right away. And if you want to go above and beyond, I have a video on how to achieve perfect skin right here. If you're feeling like doing extra credit, if your skin needs more care, definitely watch it. But of course, these simple steps that I just went over, they're all you need for a great beginner skincare routine that only takes 3 minutes and will deliver results as long as you stay consistent.